All right, friends, we're going to do math. You're going to need your board and your marker and your eraser today. We're going to just work with that and do some subtraction problems, and then we're going to talk about shapes. So let's start with some subtraction reviews. I'm going to read the sentence. I'll write the sentence, the number sentence, and then we'll check and see if you got it correct. There were 6 girls on the swings at the playground. After a few minutes, 2 of the girls left. How many girls are still on the swings? So how many girls were there in the beginning? There were 6. And 2 left, so we're subtracting. They left, they went away. How many girls are still there? Remember, we're going to use it. Today, we're just going to use the strategy of putting it in our brain and counting backwards. So if there were 6, then we're going to count backwards from 6. And we need to count backwards 2 times. So 6, 5, 4. There are 4 girls left. If that's really hard for you, then go ahead and use a picture. Draw 6 dots, cross out 2, and you'll see there were 4 left. All right, let's do a couple more. There were 5 boys playing on the playground, and 1 boy had to go home. He left, so we're subtracting. He went home. How many boys are still on the playground? Well, let's put that number in our head and count backwards 1 time. 5, 4. 4 boys are left. You could have done a picture, crossed out 1, and you'll see 4 boys are still left. All right, let's try one more. There were 3 friends playing together, and 2 friends had to go home. They left, so we're subtracting. 2 of them went home. Let's put 3 in our brains and count backwards 2 times because 2 left. 3, 2, 1. How many friends are still at the playground? 1. Good job. And I could have made 3 dots and crossed out 2. If you need those dots still, that's perfectly fine. If you are good without the dots, that's awesome. Keep working hard to get those numbers in your brain. All right, now we're going to talk about some shapes. I know you guys are really good at knowing your shapes. So, tell me, what shape is this? Circle. What do we know about a circle? How many sides? No sides. How many points? No points. And what can it do? How does it move? It can roll. All right, what's this shape? It has 4 sides. They're all the same. Oh, 4 sides. I just said it. How many points? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 points. Can it roll? No, those points stop it from rolling. This is a square. Good. And then what do we call this one with 3 sides? 3 sides. How many points? 1, 2, 3 points. Can it roll? No. Remember, anything with a point cannot roll. That is a triangle. So we've got a circle, a square, and a triangle. One more shape. It's longer than the square. It's got 2 long sides, 2 short sides. How many sides altogether? 4 sides. Oh, I'm going to put equal up here for the square because that's what makes it different. 4 sides, 4 points, and it has 2 long, 2 short sides. Can that one roll? No, if it has any points, it cannot roll. All right, that is a rectangle. Circle, square, triangle, rectangle. I'm going to give you some clues now, and you're going to draw the shape that you think I'm talking about. I am thinking of a shape with 3 points. It has 3 points. Draw it on your board, and then hold it up, and I'll hold mine up. 1, 2, 3. Does yours look like this? Is it a triangle? Good job. I am thinking of a shape with no points. 1, 2, 3. Circle. I hope you had a circle on your board. All right, I'm thinking of a shape with 2 long sides, 2 short sides. 2 long and 2 short. 1, 2, 3. Rectangle. I am thinking of a shape with 4 equal sides. All the sides are the same. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Square. Good job. I hope you got those all correct. If I put a square on my board and then put a triangle on top of it, like this, now what shape have I made? Yeah, I made a house by using two shapes. See how I used a square and a triangle to make a different shape? Now I have a house. Good. Remember we talked about 3D shapes. So if I have a 3D shape that's a circle and it looks like a ball, what do we call this? Do you remember what the name for that ball shape is? That's a sphere. A ball shape is a sphere. How about a square shape that has all the sides like this? It's like a box or like a dice. That is called a cube. Remember this one? It looks like a triangle on the top, but it has a round bottom. That is a cone. And then a rectangle that has all the sides like a box. Remember what that's called? A rectangular prism. A rectangular prism. Good job. All right. If I had a sphere, would it roll? Could a sphere roll? Yes, because it's shaped like a ball. It's that circle. It has no sides and no points. Can a cone roll? Remember, yes, a cone can roll because it has that one point at the top, but it can roll around in a circle. It can't roll far distance, but it can roll around in a circle because its sides are round. All right, can a cube or a rectangular prism roll? No, they have points. They cannot roll. Can you stack a sphere? If you had 3 spheres, could you stack them up and they stay there like that? No, because they'll roll away. Would a cube, if I had 3 cubes, could I stack them up? Yes. Cubes have those solid sides so they could stack up. All right, go ahead and get out your paper. Looks like this today. Lots of shapes on there. We're going to go ahead and do that. You're going to need your crayons for this so that you can use these colors, the key. You're going to make all of the triangles red, all of the circles brown, all of the squares blue, and all of the rectangles yellow. So I'll let you go ahead and do that. Use your crayons and color each one of those shapes using this key. If it's a triangle with 3 sides like this one, it's going to be red. Circles are going to be brown like that. Squares that have the same sides, blue. 2 long sides, 2 short sides, yellow. You go ahead and finish that up, and then we'll go ahead and do the next part together. All right, if you're ready, we're going to go ahead and look at these 3 shapes. Those shapes are not finished. They want us to draw a line to finish the shape. So if I want to finish this triangle, I need to draw from this dot over to that dot and finish up that shape. Now it's a triangle. I'm going to draw from this dot to this dot and finish that shape. What shape is that now? That's actually a square. It's turned on its side like a diamond. All right. From this dot to this dot, and we have a hexagon with 6 sides. All right, get those crayons ready because I'm going to tell you what color to color each of these. Find the 4-sided square. It has 4 sides, and color it blue. Of these 3, which one has 4 sides? If it has 4 sides, color it blue. If you picked this one, awesome. Good job. Color that one blue. Find the shape that has 6 sides, the hexagon, and color it orange. Count those sides. If it has 6 sides, you're going to color it orange. If you picked this one, I'm going to put an O for orange. Good job if you colored that one orange. All right, finish up by coloring the shape with 3 sides. We call that a triangle, red. I'll put a little R on it for red. So you should have red, blue, orange. All right. Down here at the bottom, it says color the 2D shapes purple. Remember, it's 2D if it's a flat shape. So you're going to color 2 of them purple and color the 3D shapes green. So you go ahead, purple and green for these. Purple for the flat ones, green for the round or the box-shaped ones. And when you are finished, go ahead and turn your paper over and we'll finish up the back. All right, on the back, first you're going to draw a line from the shape to the one that matches over here. So this is a cylinder and it matches the can. So draw a line right to the can. This is a sphere and it matches the globe. This is a cone and it matches that ice cream cone. Yum. This is a rectangular prism and it matches this building. So you can draw a line just like that. All right, down here, circle the shapes that can roll. Can this box roll? Remember, if it has points, it cannot roll. So nope, that one cannot roll. Can the ball roll? Yep, circle it. Can the can or the cylinder shape roll? Yes, go ahead and circle that. All right, look at these numbers down here. We got to draw enough dots in each of these to represent the number. So we need 10 dots. Let's count how many we already have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if we need to make 10 and we already have 5, how many more do we need to make? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need to make 5 more dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to fill up that 10 frame. Oh, over here, look. We need the number 6. We need 6 dots, and they gave us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's already 10 there, and we only needed 6. So we're going to have to cross some out. Let's count to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, we need to cross out all the rest. Cross out 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you have 5, and one more makes 6. Next box, 3. We need 3 dots and they gave us 1, so we need 2, 3. 2 more dots makes 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay, and over here it says they needed 8 dots. Let's count how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9 and we only need 8. So let's count 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to cross out the one that's left. And now we have 8. So make sure you just crossed out 1 for that box. All right, take just a couple of seconds and check and make sure you got that all right. If you did, give yourself a smiley face. Nice work. Go ahead and take a picture of this page and upload it here in Google Classroom for me. And I will make sure to check over it and see if you got that all right. Good job reviewing shapes today. See you tomorrow.